The topic is application of the Q root of unity. The question task is evaluate. We need to find out the value. Like as we have already discussed in the properties, like 1 plus omega square is always equal to 0. And the second one is cube is equal to 1. These two things that work in the application of the Q root of unity means 1 plus omega. If you will see the 1 plus omega, its value will be 1 plus omega will remain here. The plus will go on the other side, it will become minus omega square. It means that in the first step, it will be replaced by minus omega square. Minus omega square is already with it. This one is here. Power 8. Minus is always plus, but we write it down the sign of the minus. Omega square and power 2. If the power is even, we always write it down the plus sign as a whole. Like, for example, minus 2 omega square having power 8. This was the step. Minus 2 omega square will become positive 2 because the power is even. Now the 2 having power 8 and omega 2 will get the power 8. The final answer will be 2 having power 8 means 2, I think it's 256. 2 having power 8 is 256. Yes, I am right, 256. And 2 8s are 16. Now, what we will do, like 256, omega 16. 16 can be written like 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Why I have break down into 3 multiples? Because we know that according to the second property, omega 0 is equal to 1. 256 into 1 having power 5 into omega. 1 will remain 1. 1 having power 5 is 1. It means that 256 omega will be your answer. Now come on the second question. This one. This is the value of the omega. The plus value is omega value is 7. And okay, 1. This is the minus 1. And this value is omega square. This one. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 14 means 3 4s are 12. 12 to 14. Again, why have we breaking it down? 1 having power 2 into omega. 1 having power 4 into omega square. Omega plus omega square according with the first property. What we have learned, omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. Then omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. It means that the answer will be minus 1. These two properties that we have mentioned here, it's very important. Now come, these are the omega and omega square value. I have already discussed it. Now see the third question. We know that like minus 1 plus under root of minus 3 upon 2 is the omega value. 2 will go there, it will become 2 omega minus 1 plus under root of minus 3. And similarly, this value will become omega square is equal to minus 1 minus under root of minus 3 upon 2. It will become 2 omega square is equal to minus 1 minus under root of minus 3. अब क्या करते हैं इसे that I will make a cloud that you can easily found what we have calculated. Simply we have divide into multiply. Simple. Now it will become the plus 1 will become 2 omega having power 5. And it's 2 omega square having power 5. 2 will get the power 5, omega will get the power 5. 2 will get the power 5 and omega square will get the power 5. 2 power 5 is common. Omega 3 and 2 will be break down into the 5. And here is 2 5s are 10. It means that 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 1 is 10. 2 power 5 is 32. Its omega value is equal to 1. 1 dot omega square. 1 power 3 into omega. It will become omega square into omega. We know that its value will be equal to minus 1. 32 into minus 1. The final answer is 32. I'm writing in the box and इससे बल्कि हम ऐसा करते हैं, हाईलाइट भी कर देते हैं दिस वन, ओ वाइट, दिस वन। 32 will be the final answer। इसे ग्रीन से लिख लेते हैं ताकि बिल्कुल हाईलाइट हो जाए। -32 is the final answer। That's it।